What is good, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to another review. This is not your average sneakerhead, Tony Ramsey. Today we're taking a look at the Jordan 11 Low Gem Red. If this is your first time here, or if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe by clicking the link down below. We are trying to grow the channel to about 500 subscribers. We just had a giveaway for the 250 subscriber point. Okay, everybody, so we got 20 entrants into the giveaway. As you can see, got all of that loaded in there. I'm gonna go ahead and proceed with the drawing. As you can see, those are the rules. Let's go ahead and start the final drawing now. Go ahead and see the results. The winner is Jacinth Rivera. I'll go ahead and reach out to you, respond to your comment on YouTube, and congratulations. And you have about 24 hours from this video going live to respond to claim your prize. Congrats, man. Thank everybody for entering. And I will have that winner for that giveaway. I'll announce their name right down here. I'll also reach out to you in the comment section for the way that giveaway was first hosted. You have about 24 hours from when that comment goes live. And if you do not get back to me, we'll go ahead and pick a new winner. So please get back to me as soon as you can. Again, the person that won is right down here. And we'll go ahead and get that taken care of. Now, with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the shoe. The Jordan 11 Low Gem Red released on Saturday, June 20th via Nike Sneakers, and almost every retailer got these as well. They didn't sell out immediately, but it did take about half an hour or so for all these sizes to move. It did sell out not too long after that. I was able to secure my pair via reservation on the Foot Locker app, so really glad I was able to get a pair of these in hand. Also was able to get a pair of grade school size for my kid as well. She's not a big fan of these, so I went ahead and let those go. But let's go ahead and jump into some details about this shoe and give you guys my impression of it. Now, the sneaker community is calling these the Concord Breds. I can see why, because it is a little bit of a mashup between the Jordan 11 Concord and the Jordan 11 Breds that released in 2019. Although it doesn't have aspects of both of those combined, I could just see this being more of a Jordan 11 Low Bred with a white upper than a Concord, because there is no Concord purple on this shoe. But overall, pretty clean shoe. Let's go ahead and look at some of the details. So if you're not familiar with the Jordan 11, it is one of the more classic Jordan silhouettes. This one does have patent leather all the way around the shoe. Starting at the toe box, you do have a pretty high cut patent leather right there. Wraps around the lateral side, all the way around the shoe, the back of the shoe, and also to the medial side. So it is a full patent leather wrap on the shoe. And this one does have leather on the upper, white leather right above that patent leather cut. The patent leather cut isn't super high, but with this being a low top shoe, it doesn't need to be that high at all. And that's pretty much most of the details for the upper, both the lateral and the medial side. You also do have a leather tongue in white with that on the third eyelet, or the third lace hole. You also do have that, I think it says Jordan Jumpman. I could be wrong about that, but if I am wrong, please let me know in the comment section. You also have these fat rope laces. That is something that's pretty standard on Jordan 11s. I did have the Jordan 11 Breds. I was just not going to wear those, so I let those go. But right now I do have some Jordan 11 Win Like 82s in my collection, because blue is my favorite color, which is why I kept those around. And yeah, that's pretty much it for most of the upper of the shoe. You do have a gem red outsole there, which looks very close to the outsole of the Jordan 11 Breds. And you do have a black Jumpman in the middle of the outsole with some carbon fiber right there on the medial side of the midsole. Midsole on the shoe is in all white. This is actually a very comfortable midsole. It's not the softest foam, but you got to remember too, the Jordan 11 was actually a basketball shoe, so it does have some performance aspects to it. I believe these also have some air cushioning in the outsole as well, where those pods are, where the herringbone pattern is. I believe there's an air a unit up here and also one back here in the heel of the shoe. On the rear of the shoe, you do have a 23 that is not stitched, it is printed in, and you do have a very tiny stitched Jumpman right there on the heel of the shoe. They do come with standard cardboard shoe trees, so nothing out of the ordinary there. Insole of these actually does come out. You guys can see that there. Black insole, red Jumpman, and your sizing label on it. On the bottom of the insole, it does say AJ11, OF8H, and then it does have my shoe size as well. So yeah, as you can see, this is a pretty simple silhouette, not much going on here. Typical Jordan 11 low. The colorway of this actually is really nice. I wish they released this colorway in the high version of the Jordan 11. I think that will be one I would probably keep in my collection because these colors do go pretty well. And honestly, I don't know why Jordan Brand didn't release this colorway in a high a long time ago. I could see this being something that Jordan actually wore back in his Chicago Bull days. So pretty clean shoe. Not 100% sure this is one that's going to fit into my collection, as I don't typically wear Jordan 11 lows. Honestly, Jordan 11, as I mentioned before, is not one of my favorite silhouettes. It's one of the most classic Jordan silhouettes, but when this first released, I was actually in high school, and they actually came out my senior year of high school, and everybody had these at prom, and I think I got a little bit of fatigue from seeing them around so much, which is why Jordan 11s probably aren't one of my favorite Jordan silhouettes so far. Let's also take a look at the box. So you do have your standard box there. Black box, Jumpman on top of it, Air Jordan at the top of the box. You have Nike Air on the corner there. You also have your sizing tag. The official colorway for this is white, university red, and black. And I got these in an 8.5, and they had a retail price of $185. Once you get inside the box, you do have a little stamp there on the corner for, I think that's for the quality control. Then you also have black paper inside the box with the little green sticker right there. From my understanding, that sticker is put in certain shoes to keep the shoes from molding because of the materials in the shoe. I could be wrong, and if you know what that sticker is really for, leave so down in the comment section down below. I'd be definitely glad to hear about that. I got these in an 8.5, as I mentioned. That is my true size, and these fit me pretty much true to size. I would not size up or down in Jordan 11s. I think they fit just fine as is. But if you do have a wider foot, of course, you can always go up half a size, but I would just recommend true to size in Jordan 11s. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the details about this shoe. So let's go ahead and get these loosened up, get them on foot, and show you guys how they look. That's going to do it for my review of the Jordan 11 Low Gem Red. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe down in the comment section below. It is a pretty clean shoe, and I'm actually surprised these sold out. When I went to pick these up at the mall, people were lined up to get them. They were upset that they couldn't grab them. So I didn't expect these shoes to have that much hype to them. I know Jordan 11s are pretty popular with a lot of sneakerheads nowadays, so maybe that's the reason why. But to me, it's a shoe that I'm probably not going to keep in the collection for too much longer. I just don't see myself really wearing this shoe too often. But overall, it's not a bad looking shoe. Leather quality on this, it's soft. I don't think it's the best quality leather, and it's just a basic Jordan 11 low to me. So probably one I'll let go, but not a bad shoe if you're into Jordan 11 lows. That's going to do it for my review. Again, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so now. We will be having another giveaway once we get to 500 subscribers. As of recording this video, we are at 310 subscribers, so we are growing like crazy. Thank you guys all for joining the Not Your Average Sneakerhead family. And again, we'll have another giveaway at 500 subscribers, and probably do one more there once we get to 1,000 subscribers as well. So really appreciate you guys joining the family, and looking forward to give you guys more giveaways coming soon. Thank you again for tuning into my review. This is Not Your Average Sneakerhead Tony Ramsey, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Peace.